Hole 9, par 4, 335 to 442 yards. Your final hole on the front is a great opportunity to reach the halfway mark on a high note. The fairway is spacious and inviting, with a downhill run out which can easily add extra yards to your drive. Big hitters should think twice about pulling driver, because too much roll and you could be right through the fairway and into a deep ravine of unplayable vegetation. This valley is steep, deep and wide, dividing the main fairway from the short approach area leading up to the green. A sizable pond sits literally a yard or two left of the green and is fed by a beautiful two-tide waterfall, with the classically designed clubhouse as the backdrop to it all. From the end of the main fairway, it should be a short iron or wedge into this tricky green, split diagonally by a ridge which drops heavily off to the right side. Pick a smart landing area to stay on the correct side of the ridge. The wrong side will surely be trouble.